Hello YouTube family, how are you all? I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So yes, after a very long time, yes I know I am uploading any video. So I thought like I didn't had any content, like I didn't know what to make video on. So I was going through my videos. So I saw most commented video was my Symbiosis video. And in recent time I have been talking to one of my subscriber who was facing some problem like regarding how was the admission process of Symbiosis and all. So I thought why not make a video of Symbiosis admission process. So yeah, here I am with the Symbiosis admission process. So Symbiosis, to be very precise, which Symbiosis I am talking about is the Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. This, and to be very precise, the Symbiosis Arts and College of Arts and Commerce is on Senapati Babat Road, Pune. So why I am being so precise? The reason is there are many Symbiosis in Pune. So people get confused about which Symbiosis I'm talking, because as soon as you land on airport you can see a Symbiosis just in front of the airport. So yeah, the Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. This college is basically for BCom as well as BA English honors. So yeah, this are the 3-4 courses which are run by Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. And to talk about the admission process of graduation and masters, I will talk about both. Like they have graduation courses for same BA and BCom, and masters courses MCom and MA. So to talk first, I will talk about graduation one part. So to be very precise, like the both masters and graduation admission in Symbiosis is done by cutoff basis, right? So they usually pull off the cutoffs, and you need to like if you fit in that cutoff, you can go and take admission. So the process goes on like this. Like after the 12th exams are done, like all the like CBSC board, Maratha board, and all the boards, when they declare their 12th result, these university like same Symbiosis University, Mumbai University, and all Pune University. And let me tell you that Pune Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce, this is a semi-government college which comes under Pune University, right? So the let me clarify this thing, that it comes under Pune University. And yes, so after the result of all boards are out, these university pull up their form, like Delhi University, Pune University, Mumbai University, these university pull up their form, right? So as soon as the forms are out, you need to fill your details, the marks obtained, and like in Delhi University, you need to focus on best four, like your best main four subjects, including English. And in Pune, what is done in Symbiosis is, if you like, usually student have their sixth optional or sixth optional. So if you have six subject, you have to calculate the percentage according to all six subjects, right? And if you have only five subject, no sixth optional, then only five subjects total will be added, and your percentage will be calculated according to that. So yeah, so after calculating your percentage, you will put all your marks in the subject column in the form, and after that you will submit that form. After few days, the university Symbiosis will come up with their first cutoff. Like Symbiosis will come up with their first cutoff list. So right, as soon as they come up with their first cutoff list, like I think 4 days or 3 days are given by them. So generally these university come up with the on, like if they come on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, so you get around 5 days for admission. Yeah, so yeah, this how they come up with their cutoff. So you get 3 days to take admission, right? As soon as the cutoff are out, you can, if you are coming in that cutoff, you a mail will be sent to you. You need not have to check the what is the first cutoff. The mail will be sent to you. In case of Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce, not Delhi University, the mail will be sent by you to sent by college to you. You will just as soon as you receive the mail, you can go to the college, right? You need to go to the college. Just generally the I went there for my BCom, right? So I went there and I sat in the like BA program room. lecture room. I was sitting there, and there was one Raud Kaka. I will mention his name because he's a very nice person. He was a very helpful. He's he generally takes out all the checking your all the details, and make sure that you carry all your documents while going to Symbiosis, because like they usually they can there can be a issue, right? So to avoid that issue, you need to carry your, so first of all, your 12th original certificate, your migration transfer certificate, your character certificate. All these four are the most important. And class 10th for date of birth, class 10th certificate or original mark sheet is also required over there. And these are, if you belong to any category, I mean EWS or OBC, you need to carry your that document. Okay, so these are the documents which are required over there, and you will go there and they will verify. There is a very simplified procedure. And Symbiosis, like you will go verify, Raut Kaka will verify everything is there, he will put a tick, and he will keep your original document. That's what the problem is, they usually keep your original document. That's create an issue, like you get like you मतलब आप फंस जाते हो वहाँ पे अपना ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स दे के, तो आपके पास कोई और चारा नहीं होता है कि आप कहीं और एडमिशन ले पाओ. तो ऐसे ही आई वॉज ऑल्सो स्टक ओवर देयर. सो या, तो मैंने क्या किया था, आई टुक एडमिशन ओवर देयर. सो आई वॉज नॉट आफ्टर एट द टाइम ऑफ पेमेंट ऑफ फीस, आई थॉट दैट यार आई एम फ्रॉम यूपी, वाराणसी और पुणे, लगभग 2 दिन लगता है जाने में, तो बहुत दूर हो जाएगा. सो आई विल नॉट एबल टू कम बैक to my hometown like quite often, so I cancelled my admission over there for graduation. So yeah, this is the procedure for BCom. After releasing their first cutoff, you need to go, they will do everything for you. And the fees for BCom and BA is very nominal fees, like if I remember correctly, the fees is I think 20,000 to, I think, less than 30,000, to be very sure, less than 30,000, like it's the fees over there. So yeah, and if you talk about the college and now about masters, right? So masters, what problem I faced in master was like form of Symbiosis was out for MCom, and MCom admission are also done on the basis of cutoff, right? Of your cutoff of what? Cutoff of your graduation final year, the whole percentage you are getting, you need to calculate that and put it in the same form, like you fill the graduation form, you fill the MCom form. So after that for college will pull up their form. And one important thing I forgot to mention, that the mark sheet you will have, the form which you will print, like there is one form also, when you finish up with your form, there is one receipt printed, right? Like your payment of form fees, you need to take that and you need to post it to Symbiosis. This is very important procedure, like you need to post by speed post or something, you need to post it to the college. Yeah, so same happens with the MCom. You need to fill the form, your percentage. The problem which I faced was my final semester result was not coming, and the last date was coming closer. So I think on the last date my result was announced, and I filled that form and mailed it to posted to Symbiosis. And yeah, I got in first cutoff, I cleared the cutoff of B. I had decent score in BCom, so I cleared for MCom over there. So and again I went there, and it's a huge story that you can see in my previous blog what has happened. So yes, I again went there. The same procedure of BCom, you need to get your document. For a masters, you need to have at least TC is very necessary, transfer certificate, your mark sheet, your class 10th certificate, TC. Like many students don't take their TC, and many colleges don't give TC so early. So you need to manage your TC, or else don't go. If you cannot manage your TC of your college, then don't go to the for admission, because they will not take your admission. Because I saw many students who were returned by college that you will not be allowed admission. Only they said that we can extend the admission date for you, because you have came here, we can extend the admission date, you can come again. So a girl was with me, usne she came from Delhi, एंड शी डेंट हैड आर ट्रांसफ़र सर्टिफिकेट, तो उसको उन्होंने वापस कर दिया. उसने 20-25 हज़ार रुपये का टिकट खरीद के वो पुणे आई थी फ्लाइट से, और उसको वापस, शी वॉज इन द सेम फ्लाइट विद मी. तो उसको वापस कर दिया. शी वॉज वेरी डिप्रेस्ड, लाइक शी वॉज वेरी लाइक यार अब क्या करेंगे घर जाके, पापा भी डांटेंगे. सो प्लीज़ make sure that you have your TC, then only you go to the college. And TC, mark sheet, migration and migration character certificate, and some in some colleges there is migration and transfer is same. So you can like आप समझ सकते हो. और फिर उसके बाद और क्या चाहिए था, मार्कशीट और 10 to 3 photos of and photocopy of every, and generally you should keep your Aadhaar and everything over there. Okay, so that there मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए. अपना आधार अपनी आईडी अपने पास रखे लेके जाना आप लोग. और या ये प्रोसीजर है वहाँ पे. और बेसिक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम सिम्बायोसिस की है कॉलेज में. अभी आई विल कम बैक टू दैट कॉलेज कैंपस एंड ऑल. So this was all the admission process. If you have any issue, you can comment down below what I have forward. If I'm not getting any paper and all. So yes. And I had a message from one of my sisters. His name is Utkarsh. She wanted to know about the same procedure which I told her कैसे admission process है. So he was from Gorakhpur. So I told him, why are you like one of my suggestion is to you all that if you are from Uttar Pradesh side and not from like south or Mumbai, so generally you should prefer Delhi University first, then Symbiosis, because like it's closer to your hometown. That's the basic reason what I want to suggest if you are getting North Campus then. And yes, if I talk about college campus and all the things, so college campus मतलब जितना कैंपस है उतने में तो बहुत अच्छे से बना है. द फैकल्टी वर नाइस, पीपल वर वेरी नाइस, कैंटीन इज़ वेरी नाइस. यू कैन सी माई like vlogs I have made Symbiosis college tour. So the college is not very big, but it is decent enough for you to have all the extracurricular. They have a good placement. The ENY, Deloitte, KPMG, these companies usually come for placement, so that's not a big issue. You will get placed over there. And yeah, it is a very good college, I'm telling you. But the reason of not choosing again, I went there for masters, and I didn't took admission over there because no, actually I took admission and came, and again I qualified for Delhi University, so I took admission over there. So yeah, so if I talk about their campus is good, everything is good. Yeah, like you cannot cut Symbiosis from any angle. Like they have the best thing over there. Like they have a good faculty, good, and basically the crowd over there is very nice. Like crowd is like A1 crowd. Like usually college is made by crowd. How the crowd is over there. Like you will not find the crowd, same type of crowd in Delhi University. The crowd over there is like very classy and very good crowd, I would say. The people over there of Maharashtra is very good. And yeah, and what I wanted to say, like I think I am done with all the suggestion telling you. If you want to know something about Delhi University, please let me know in comment section, because this video is getting very longer. It's become very long. Like I think I have crossed over 10 minutes. So yeah, this was all my experience over in Pune. People, everything, that Symbiosis is one of the best colleges I know for arts and commerce. And yeah, fees for masters, if you want to know, my fees for masters was I think 33,000, which was refunded after cutting 500 rupees, and everything was very good and decent. And what else I wanted to talk, let me check in my message. Like Utkarsh has sent me some message. कहाँ गया Utkarsh? Actually, do you know the good college for BA education? Like he was asking that he wanted to pursue UPSC. So what he wanted to get enrolled in BA, and he wanted to pursue his UPSC further. So I told him the best environment you will get in Delhi, the best coaching and everything is in Delhi. Best Shri Ram, Vajirao, everything, every coaching for UPA, best UPSC coaching is in Delhi. So I think he will get a better crowd over there. Utkarsh, if you are listening, so I will prefer you to choose Delhi University, and if not, then you can I will prefer you to choose Delhi University over Symbiosis, because you are from Gorakhpur and it is closer to your hometown. So yes, I think that's it, and I will wrap up the video. So I hope you would have liked the video. It has been informative because most of the comment was about asking the admission procedure. So let me be very sure, it is based on the cutoff of 12th and BCom for masters. So it is generally based on cutoff. So first cutoff, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the cutoff, in which the first cutoff of Symbiosis for BCom is around 92%, not more than that. If you get 93%, you can easily go there and get admission. 92% होती है cutoff, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होती है क्लास 12th की उसमें. For BCom I'm telling, I'm not pretty sure of BA. I think BA की भी इतनी होती है, 91-92% होती है, और इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होती है. लाइक एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट मास्टर्स में कितनी थी, 76% थी आई थिंक. हाँ, 76% थी बीकॉम की कट ऑफ फॉर टू गेट एडमिशन इन एमकॉम. सो बहुत ज़्यादा कट ऑफ नहीं होती हैं इनकी. सो यू कैन ईजिली गेट एनरोल्ड. सो बट सजेशन ये है कि आप लेट मत होइएगा एडमिशन के लिए. तुरंत जैसे ही कट ऑफ आई, इफ़ यू आर श्योर टू टेक एडमिशन इन सिम्बायोसिस, देन यू ट्राई टू रीच ऑन द सेम डे. राइट, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. सो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट होता है, कुछ सब्जेक्ट होते हैं जो आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाते हैं. वहाँ पे टाइम पे आप पहुँच जाएंगे तो आपको मिल जाएंगे. So yes, I hope this session was informative. So please like the video and share it with your friends, those who want to study in Symbiosis. And yeah, that's it. And then subscribe for more information, and let me know if you want to know about Delhi University. Peace.